Day after Christmas pala. Bye Daddy. B, let's see if they have announcement, B. If it's holiday. No announcement, baby.
Alam niya din pag may announcement ko.
Pasok mo si Mishka sa school. Late na kami, guys. Sa labas muna maghihintay. Mga pagod sa Christmas kagabi. Or late. Ang dami ng pasta talaga namin kahapon. Buti na lang. Meron kaming mga bisita na dumating nung gabi. Kumain din sila kahit papano.
Sabi hindi naman nila.
And yung iba, nagbigay ako dun sa dalawang kapitbahay namin. Ayoko sa?
Hindi ka nagchat-chat?
Yung Chinese na, isang tasa talaga ng kape.
Pangalawa ko na ito.
Na ganito kadami.
Oo.
Sabi namin, enjoy namin yung mga pagkain na hinanda namin kahapon. Pinaghirapan kahapon. Ako na, kumakain-kain din kami. Pero iba din yung parang relax ka lang ba? Kapag kasi may mga bisita. Isam ang punong abala. Yung chopstick ni Mishka.
Basta natalo ko sila.
Gabi na kasi kami ng, guys, na tulog. Pasado lang una na ba yun? Or else 12?
Dahil natulog, after 12:30 na ata.
12:30, mga alauna. Naglaro pa sila ng uno. Ako kasi pinatulog ko si Mishka doon ako kay Mishka. Si Sam yung kalaban ng mga Indiano. Ilan sila, Sam? 6 versus 1. Pero nanalo siya. Nanalo ang Pilipinas. Talo sila.
Bumulot sila eh. Kala nila nung kayo maglaro kasi tanong ako ng tanong.
Aba! Oo, yan yung strategy mo pala.
Oo, kaya sabi nila, she's playing mind games, she's playing mind games.
So, ito pa yung aming guys, ulam. Marami pa kaming pasta. Meron pa sa kalan. Yung aming chicken hamonado. And yung aming bihon. Ito yung aming almusal. Day after Christmas.
Mas masarap yan pag na luma.
Oo. Na-absorb niya yung lasa.
Yan mo yung pansin.
Hindi ka mag-rice? Sure ka?
Ay, ang dami kong mais. Yun ang rice ko.
Rice is life ako.
Sarap.
No? Basta. Pag kinabukasan na masarap.
Lagyan mo ng cheese.
Sige lang, ubusin ko lang. Dito na lang.
Ay,
Kamad ako magkagot.
minsan maharap. Lalong maharap.
Nox. Lalong masarap kasi siya nagluto kahapon.
Hindi, totoo nga. Yung mga Indiano.
Oo, nasarap. Talo mo na nga si Jollibee. Hindi pa chopstick pa talaga ako.
Thanks to chopstick, pumasok si Mishma.
Ayaw rin sanang pumasok. Sabi ko, ipakita mo sa classmate mo yung chopstick. Ayun, pumasok. So, ano, bukas ka na uwi?
Bukas? Bukas.
No pressure man, Sam. Kung gusto mong magstay, wala namang problema. Pero iniisip ko ba na may mga gagawin ka, ayoko naman ikaw na ma-pressure.
Hindi ko alam kung matutuloy yung Aadhaar card camp. Di ba may camp sa society namin?
May other card dito.
Ay, madikay naman to. Bangalore ako.
Pwede man na nga i-address mo is yung Bangalore.
Pupuntahan ko.
Gusto mo, punta tayo ngayon?
Sige.
Magtanong tayo.
Sabi kasi sa Majestic, go to the nearest. Hindi parte na
Yung mag-apply ka ng other card, dito pa sa
Madikay rin. Hindi sabi niya, i-follow up ko sa nearest.
Andun dito i-check, try natin.
Kasi nasa state government siya.
Feeling ko na-process na siya, nasa state na siya, Sam.
Ay ngayon, saan ko pupunta? Hindi ko alam. Hindi din nila ako masagot.
Meron kang parang receipt?
Meron, yung papel na may firma ako, may picture ako.
O sige, pakita natin. Check natin.
Kung ano na proseso. Sabihin, layo naman pinuntahan.
Dito ka pa talaga mag-process ng other card.
Dito ka pa talaga ng follow up.
Pagkatapos ng Pasko, after ng mga non-veg na kinain, maggulay tayo kasi ang dami namin gulay sa ref. Lutuin ko ito mamaya. Okra and radish. Tapos, meron pa pala kaming mushroom na isang packet. Meron pa kaming ibang gulay dun sa ref. Ito pa yung mga gulay na pinamili ni Abhi before Christmas. So, para hindi masayang, lutuin ko na to. Today, merong announcement na holiday nila ni Abhi kasi yung dati nilang Prime Minister namatay. So, holiday today ni Mishka. And so, kay Abhi, naghihintay pa siya if holiday din sa kanila. Naghihintay sila ng announcement. Pagod kami kahapon, so hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog. Continuation na to ng vlog kahapon. Anyway, wala naman kami ginawa kahapon. Diba? We just clean, wash dishes, eat the same food. Ano po ginawa namin ni Sam kahapon. Nagsundo kay Mishka. Yun lang. Ay, nung gabi, yung naglaro kami ng Uno. Bumili kami ng card. Lahat ng pagkain niya ngayon, chopstick yung gamit. Can you give me one pasta? Yum.
My mommy is so happy I eat so good.
Yes. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy when you eat food?
Yeah.
Then it's good.
Mommy, my boo is still there.
Yeah, it will be okay soon. It's fine.
Mom, why guys going in the office and why am I going in the office and why I'm going to school all the time? I will go office now. Now be good.
You're like a teacher now.
Just want to go office.
No, you are my small baby.
Mr. I will be big.
Yes. First, you have to go school. You cannot go office if you will not finish school. You have to go school first.
No,
No. Daddy and mommy went to school. Because you cannot go office if you will not go school.
If I go in school, if I go in office when I study to big.
Yes. Ano pa kami mga tirang
Mommy, I
pasta?
have pudding.
Naglalaro na naman kami ng Uno. Enjoy namin kagabi. Ay, nagsimula to ng Christmas. Tapos bumili kami kahapon ng Uno cards nga. Tapos kagabi, naantok lang kami, kaya nag-stop na kami ng paglalaro. But now, we're going to play Uno. Holiday din ni Daddy, holiday ni Mishka. So, lahat tayo mag-enjoy ng Uno yun. The youngsters. Yeah, bro. Naglalaro siya ng skates while the parents are going to play Uno.
Change color to blue.
Daddy?
Blue? So blue yung tira mo dyan. I know it. Alam mo, matalino na ako ngayon.
Green or reverse.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like.
Abalo ka. Hello, madam. Dam. Gawa mo. Oo, nasa Kerala ka pa lang.
Merry Christmas!
Having four.
Ako, 3. Ha?
Next month pa daw siya uwi.
Nabog.
Color red. It's red.
Nabog, nag-aala pa kami uno. Na-miss ka namin. Kala ko nasa ano ka. Nasa...
Uno.
Pupunta na lang daw siya dyan sa Kerala.
Pupunta ako dyan sa Kerala. Alam, lumaki ako dito. Ang dami pagkain. Ano sa'yo?
3 red. 3 red ulit.
Oh, shit. Hi, Sophie.
Uno.
He said uno. No,
It was
it's
red.
Bye-bye, mamaya.
Bye-bye.
Maglalaro kami.
Bye!
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas Day!
Merry Christmas sa inyo, te. Pag
Dunya-dunyahan ka dyan ha! Dunya-dunyahan.
Very proud. Sige, bye-bye. Kaya idol kita.
From Filipino wife here.
Bye.
Bye-bye!
and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh my. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh my, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black. When you look at me like that, look at you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're
Oh, Mishka made a big tower. Nice structure, love. You made that?
Yeah.
Very good. I am proud of you.
Really good quality pa. Labas kami guys with Sam. Last day niya na dito sa bahay. Dito sa Madikeri. So mag-farewell tayo, dinner. Farewell dinner. Imi-meet namin sabi sa labas.
Mama.
Siguro. Parang pinapaupahan din siguro yung.
Chicken soup, that's all.
Instead na sa labas kami maghapunan, dinner, parang farewell party ni Sam. Dito na lang sa bahay. So nag-take out pa lang kami. Paborito ni Sam, mumus eh. So may nasa Pilipinas, dito sa India, mumus. Mimi? No, don't open it. Wash hands first.
These guys are doing good business. Huh?
Yeah, it's good. So many are there.
But every time it will not do it. But weekend it is they are like.
But every
They are good. And they are good. Like you can see that they are good people. Like
yeah.
doing their work with dedication.
Yeah.
But this following Mishka.
Doon tayo sa sala siya.
Movie night. Movie night slash mumu party, farewell party ni Sam.
All in one.
Ang dami ng kanya order.
Dinner. Wherever you go, so many people will be there.
And then when you eat outside na, you need to hurry because others will be there
And
waiting.
that's why I don't like. Earlier they were saying again to go to that Alpha Cafe. I said that Alpha Cafe again people will be there. Yeah? Then go to somewhere else. So I thought that this cafe will go. Na? There is no people. There no people are.
Ay, ito pa na rin.
Fried momo, may Steam momo.
Soup.
Soup momo.
Soup momos, huh?
Yeah,
chicken
because the
soup.
is there. I wanted to try
this
so
is
many.
I think this is the chicken.
Ito. Ano chicken? May noodles din pala.
This small spoon.
Chicken noodles.
This is small spoon.
Small spoon.
Yes, it's really fast.
See, there is chicken momo. Chicken momo.
I thought this is veg momos.
I said that this small spoon with the cat.
Spoon with this one?
No, it's more one with the cat.
Small. Okay. This one fish. Ito naman, isang klase pa. Peri-peri momo. Eh?
Let me see the momo.
Third na po. Momo party talaga ito.
Wow! Huwag natin itapon.
So many ba?
Spicy? Itong peri-peri? Paborito yan ni Sam. Ang daming paborito eh.
Puro paborito lahat. Lahat ng kakainin paborito.
Ito na yung momo soup. Isa na isa. Aww.
Yes.
Wait, tomorrow siya.
One.
Dito lang.
Tapos ito, egg roll naman.
O, tikman natin lahat yan. Maraming din curious dito.
Char.
Oo, maraming nagsasabi ng babae. What's that?
Kasi ikaw na umorder ka kasi
Kasi
nakita mo
na-curious
siya.
ako. Tapos ano yan?
Yung iba, umorder
Ay, girl,
din.
meron ata siya sa ilalim.
Parata
parata.
din.
Mommy, why
Anong tayo?
Kung kumain yan, girl.
Mommy,
Yeah?
but next time.
Dito kami sa sala kasi mag-movie night, movie marathon, / farewell party ni Sam. Dito tayo.
No, you want veg momo, Mimi? Ay, ano to? Noodles?
Veg noodles you want? Uy, hala. You have to share that with everyone, okay? Yeah, you have this. Put this.
Why?
Because it's dinner time.
Say hi, guys.
We're going to have a party. Gusto niya itong
Oh.
kasi ito kaya bit.
Ang tinidor na lang.
Michelle, did you wash your hands na?
Wash your hands first.
I wash my hands.
Did you?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Ay, parang.
Okay.
Oo, kanina. She wash.
Take out the jacket na.
I want to
Okay. Ready?
take out.
Start!
Oh, thank you,
Oh,
Mimi.
you're sharing with Tita Sa. Uy, Sam, ipasok mo dito sa para sa mat ka umupo.
Teka lang.
Ipasok mo mat first.
Tita Sam, small spoon.
Small spoon. Yeah, you have small spoon.
Yes, and pretty fish. God, this is goldie.
Gold. Goldie? That's goldie?
Ayan pala the other one, oh.
Oh, biglang gusto niyo
Uy.
ng pansit.
Kasi sa chopstick, dahil sa chopstick.
Ano?
Mag-chopstick ka din? Social lang muna tayo.
Oh, siya naman. Oh, you want egg roll?
Mimi, enough na.
It's okay.
Mishi, enough.
Ah,
Okay.
because
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Give you what? A dry egg roll.
Sam.
One bite, huh? Take one egg roll, huh?
Egg roll. Mag-chopstick. Mga pili.
Mapili. Mapili.
Hindi ko Tita Sam.
Aww.
Oh, thank you very much.
Hindi ko dami.
Aww.
Thank you, Mishka.
Hindi ko mami.
Thank you, baby.
Mami, Anna, I am angel.
Yes, you're an angel. You can have soup also without.
Yummy. My soup, my soup.
Try their soup. Parang ano siya sa atin, San? Pansit molo. Alam mo yun? Try no? Mimi, here. Mishka, here.
true.
We don't have a party.
This is a party.
This is our party.
But why you make a party?
Tita Sam's farewell party.
This is pretend.
Not really pretend. This is Tita Sam's party.
No, that is my party.
Okay, this is your party. Use your soup.
I am an
Yes, you
angel.
are. Oh, try the soup.
In Philippines, you buy siomai, 4 pieces, 75 pesos now.
Huh? Huh?
In Philippines, if you buy siomai, master siomai, 75 pesos for 4 pieces only.
Okay. But that is Shomai big, na?
Yeah, it's full also.
It's full. But this is tasty. It's like dim sum. Chinese dim sum. When we go to Dharamshala,
You try
Mommy,
this.
this is
my
I'm
party.
eating already.
I love your party.
This one, I keep on eating.
This is her party. Ask Tita Sam.
Tita Sam, that is my party.
Yes,
This
it's
is
our
this.
party.
Yeah.
This is our party.
Oh, cheap.
No, not all cheap.
Cheap is junk food.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's junk food. Why you're eating? Arte-arte natin. Naka-chopstick talaga tayo.
Ngayon lang, chopstick party ni Mimi.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know